Hi, welcome to this quick demo of Pisys ESG. Pisys ESG is a versatile alternative to Excel spreadsheets for ESG data collection and reporting. There are two main areas to ESG. Reporting, where you enter your ESG data, and Dashboard, where you can view charts of your ESG data. Let's look at reporting first. The system is configurable so you can record the KPIs that you're interested in. Here you can see KPIs grouped under environmental, social, and governance. Let's dive into energy. KPIs are displayed clearly with selectable units. Note the live CO2 conversion calculation. Approve, verify, and lock permissions are configurable on a per-user basis and make the page read-only. Note that our data entry has updated the progress on the reporting page in the year summary, energy, and the overall environmental progress. Here's a more interesting view from last year. Note how monthly and annual progress can be seen at a glance. Now let's look at the dashboard. The dashboard displays your ESG data using a variety of interactive widgets. And it's totally configurable. The dashboard can also produce PDF reports. So that concludes this quick demo of Pisys ESG, a versatile alternative to Excel spreadsheets for ESG data collection and reporting. Hopefully it was interesting, or useful, or both. Please get in touch with any questions. Thanks for watching.